Hi guys, thanks for joining today's session. So guys, yesterday we completed Journey Builder inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We have seen major entry sources like data extension as an entry source. We have seen API event as an entry source for performing real-time transactions. We have seen Salesforce data as an entry source. We have studied about almost every activity like messaging activities, flow control activities in which we have wait activity, join activity, decision based activities like decision splits, we have engagement splits, we have random splits, a, a lot of different kind of splits. Few splits we did not study because it is very easy for you to understand, like random split to split without any criteria. Then we had different type of wait activities, and then we studied about Salesforce activities, like how to create something within Salesforce. Like we created a task and assigned to a particular agent inside Salesforce. We created or updated a lead or a contact record. So Journey Builder would be the most essential platform inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Builder would be, you will be using Journey Builder to define a lot of customer journeys. Now today we will move to a new topic, which is Mobile Studio inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We have studied entire Marketing Cloud with reference to Email Studio, like how to create emails, how to deploy emails, how to use emails inside automation, how to use emails inside Journey. So you know everything in and out about Email Studio and marketing automation. You don't have to study marketing automation again. For example, you don't have to study how the automation works or how the journey works, how you gonna filter a data extension, how the SQL works, import, data transform, data load. All these you already know. Just we have to see how to work with Mobile Studio, how to send mobile related communications. These communications will be sent by Automation Studio, can be sent via a Journey Builder, because not only email as a messaging activity we have in automation or a Journey Builder, we have mobile messaging activities as well. Mobile Studio requires a different infrastructure altogether. For example, emails you open inside an email client like gmail.com, yahoo.com, outlook.com. That is the only technical infrastructure required to send email. But to send mobile, it is a very expensive affair. For example, if you have to send somebody SMS, you should have a commercial license. Am I audible? So, to send mobile related communications, we require a technical infrastructure. For example, to send SMS, you should require a commercial license, a dedicated phone line. It is not something which you use day to protecting your people. That is a private phone number you have. But to send SMS, to send bulk SMS throughout a country, throughout a city, to millions and billions of people all together, you require a commercial license. So, mobile studio is a costly affair. You should own a company. That company should get a commercial mobile license. That license we have to integrate with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. You have to purchase bulk SMS limits like 1 million, 2 million. You have to choose a phone operator. You have to give them a purpose of marketing, what kind of company you are. You have to show them each and every details about your company. Then only you get a commercial messaging license. Then only a company gives you a license which you can use inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud to send SMS. The other kind of mobile communications we have is push notifications. For push notification also you should have a mobile app developed, whether it is Android app or an iOS app, whether it is hosted on Play Store or App Store. You should have a mobile app fully developed and licensed, commercialized. It should be present on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Then only you can use that particular app inside Mobile Studio to send communication. The other type of communication we can send from Mobile Studio is to third party messaging apps, like to WhatsApp, like to Facebook Messenger, like to WeChat. For all these also you should require a commercial business license. Like to send WhatsApp messages, you should have a WhatsApp business license. To get a commercial WhatsApp business license, you should own a company. That company should be reputed. That company should apply for the license to the WhatsApp. WhatsApp will do due diligence, and then only they will award a commercial marketing license. So there are multiple types of mobile communications which we are going to see, but these mobile communications will be very costly affair. We cannot as an individual or group of people go and purchase a commercial messaging license. It will cost huge money. We cannot directly go and get the WhatsApp business or Facebook Messenger, WeChat or any third party messaging license, because we have to use it for commercial purpose. For individual purpose it is free. You can download Facebook Messenger, you can download WhatsApp, it is free for you. But when you have to work with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you have to integrate it. You should have a business license from them. That is very costly affair. So we won't be able to send any communications out of Marketing Cloud because we don't have any license. What we can do is we can understand the complexities, configurations involved. We can understand how to work with Mobile Studio, but we won't be able to deploy anything out of Marketing Cloud to test on our phone. Like we don't have any mobile app which we can use to send push notifications. Developing and hosting mobile app on Play Store, Google Store is a costly affair. We cannot send SMS. We can certainly develop SMS. We can certainly see how the SMS works, but we cannot test it live on our mobile phone because we don't have a commercial license. You should be able to reach to SMS, companies like in India we have Airtel, Vodafone. To get a commercial license from them, they would do a due diligence and would award you a commercial license. You cannot integrate any third party commercial apps easily without having a license like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and try to test all these communications. These also requires a license. But we can certainly develop But we can certainly, am I audible, guys? So we cannot really go and test it on our mobile phone, but we can certainly see that particular stage where we can develop all these things inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud and understand how to deploy these. So Mobile Studio is a combination of three different mobile communications. One is Group Connect, second is Mobile Connect, and third is Mobile Push. What is a Group Connect? When you have to send messages to any third party messaging app. Remember, any third party messaging app. What are the third party messaging apps? Like WhatsApp, like WeChat, like Facebook Messenger, like TikTok Messenger. But TikTok messengers are not widely used. It is a social media platform. They do not have a separate messenger. But WeChat, okay, Facebook messengers, WhatsApp are the third party messaging apps which you can integrate with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and then you can start sending communications. For that, we require a feature called Group Connect. For the Group Connect, we require a commercial license for sending communications to these particular app. Like WhatsApp will require a separate commercial license, WeChat will require a separate commercial license, Facebook Messenger will require a separate commercial license. All these applications would require separate commercial licenses. So all the big businesses like Lakme, L'Oreal, Adidas, Nike, whatever messages you are getting from any of the brands, they can afford to send communications from Marketing Cloud using WhatsApp or other platforms. The commercial messages. The other part of Marketing Cloud SMS Mobile Studio is Mobile Connect. With Mobile Connect, you can send SMS and MMS. SMS stands for Short Messaging Services. MMS stands for Multimedia Messaging Services. Earlier, MMS you were used widely, but now MMS are overtaken by messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, all these things. We no longer send MMS, at least in India. Instead, we send multimedia messages using WhatsApp, Telegram, or other third party messaging apps. But certainly, we send SMS. If you have to send a one time passcode, OTPs, everybody, you might be getting OTP every day to re authenticate yourself, to authenticate yourself. All these are sent via Mobile Connect feature, which involves sending SMS. And the third type of mobile communication which we can send is mobile push. That means you can almost integrate any Android or iOS application with Salesforce Marketing Cloud and use these applications for push notifications. You might have plenty of apps which are sending push notifications to you. For example, you might have installed Swiggy or Zomato, the food delivery app. Constantly, they try to send notifications. You might have Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra.com app. They are continuously sending you push notifications. You might be having some travel app like GoIbibo, Make My Trip. They are sending you some offers. Travel.com. All these are sending you some or other offers. Or you might have any other app like Times of India or any news application which are sending you current affairs instantly using push notifications. So all these are communications which can be sent using push notification feature of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which is known as mobile push. So one by one we will see how to develop SMS, how to develop a push notification inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. All these communications will use AMP script because the core structure would remain same. You have data models, you have data extensions, data will be stored inside data extensions. You have AMP script to interact with your relational data model. You have personalization strings to interact with sendable data extensions. You will work on a logic to retrieve data and display it in a form of SMS or a push notification or any of the third party messaging you have to do. All these things will be utilized. You already know how to build data extension. You already know how to define a relational data model. You already know how to declare AMP script. You already know how to work with different functions of AMP script. You already know declaring of variable, printing of a variable. You already know some loops. You already know, you know, different functions of AMP script which you will be utilizing to build all these communications as well. So guys, what is the difference between email and mobile communications? Emails are very cheaper way to communicate. Mobiles are very costly to communicate. Emails, you can, we have been sending lots of emails. In fact, this is a training account. We have been sending lots of emails and nobody is panicking about the billing. Nobody is panicking about the commercial license and all. Email is way cheaper than mobile communication. As it is cheaper, it has greater affordability. When I say it has greater affordability, almost every company uses emails as their primary way to market. If there is a startup or if it is a big brand, everybody is using emails as a primary source of marketing.